Guess what I got in the mail today? I got my super duper extra large silicone baking or baker's mat. There we go. Now, this is so exciting. I love to bake bread and other things, but mostly bread. And actually, I like to make pies. And so this is going to be my pie maker. You can see it's huge. It is. Oh my gosh, it's so big. It's so wonderful. So I can put it right on my granite countertop, and I'm not going to damage the countertop. It's nice and thick. It has this raised edge to it, so things aren't going to spill off of it. It's got measurements here on the side, on both sides. So this is 30 inches wide, I believe, by 24 tall. You can see it's 24 inches. And yes, it is 30 inches wide. It's all silicone. I still left the tissue underneath here. But here are my layouts for pies. I mean, this is so cool. And here's measuring equivalents and temperatures. This is going to just make my hobby so much more fun. I can hardly wait. And it's not thick. I can feel the stone underneath it, so I know where I am. It's not bouncy. I'm not going to make divots in my dough. But if I want to knead the bread, or if I want to sprinkle flour here and not end up with a mess everywhere, and then I can just take this whole thing and put it in the sink. I can't wait. This is so exciting. So I'm happy to have shared it with you, and I hope that this helps you. Look at these little teeny things. There's inches and centimeters, and there's also inches and centimeters along the bottom edge and the side, so both side and bottom. And there are all these little helpful little icons here. I love the little baker here. It also has, it's fireproof. So it also takes 230 degrees centigrade, which is pretty darn hot. I think that's about 450 or 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can use it for a placemat, and it's all silicone. So it's not going to, there's no chemicals that are going to bleed into your dough or your pie or your bread or anything. So, okay, happy baking to me and to you.